I used to be a night owl. I used to stay up pretty late. Nowadays, I can make it to about midnight, which I think is still pretty late, but I tend to wake up relatively early. Sleep issues unfortunately happen, especially for lawyers. I try not to drown it with substance abuse or anything like that, and so naturally falling asleep can be difficult, but it's rewarding because after 4 or 5 hours of sleep, I wake up rested. And so I wake up early, try to get a lot done early on. It's great to come into the office when no one's here. Nothing against my staff, obviously, but the ability to sit down and accomplish tasks is great.